Hey guys, it's Slick, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make clear slime. So first I'm going to add some water to the glue. And yes, I'm using a back scratcher. It was never used on a human body. It has only been used for slime. So I'm just going to mix in the water into the glue till it's one consistency, and now I'm going to be adding activator, which is just 1 tablespoon of borax and a cup of water. So I'm just going to continue mixing and adding an activator bit by bit until it forms into slime. Sorry for the noise in the back, my sister wouldn't turn off the fan. So as I mix it more and I continued adding the borax activator, it hardened and it turned into just a sticky type of slime. So I'm going to go in with my hands and start kneading it while adding borax. And I'm just going to keep on mixing in borax activator into the slime until it's not sticky anymore. And the trick about clear slime, to have it clear up really quickly, is to put it into a large container where there is more air than there is slime. So after about a day and a half, it cleared up, and here's the finished product. And there you have it, clear slime. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. See ya!